First, welcome to another video. We are going to see how to set up shipping zones for your WooCommerce store. So, head over to your WordPress dashboard, click on WooCommerce settings. Then, click on shipping. Click on Add Zone. Then, the first thing you have to do is to add a name. Rather, pick a name for your zone. Here, we are picking South Zone. Then, we now add all the states under South Zone. Here is Aquaribon. Second is Bielsa. Note that you can tweak zone. This is just an illustrative video to show you how you can set up shipping zones. You can tweak your zones and restrict such zones to cities, and not states, regions or provinces. Though, that would require other processes. Thereafter, after setting up your shipping zones, you now have to add shipping method. Then you click Add shipping method. Then click Edit for the flat rate. Then indicate it whether you want it taxable or not. Then you add your cost. For the flat rate shipping, click Save Settings. To add another shipping method, select Free Shipping. Add shipping method. Click Edit. Click Settings. From the drop-down menu, indicate whether the free shipping would be by coupon or minimum order amount. Here, we are selecting minimum order amount. So, we select minimum order amount for. Here we peg it at 4,000. Then, click Save Changes. Then, we head over to add another shipping method. So, we click Local Pickup, Add Shipping Method. Click Settings. Indicate whether taxable or not. Then, indicate whether there would be cost for the local pickup. Here, we are pegging it at 500 Naira. Then, click Save Changes. So those are the shipping methods under the South Zone. To add another shipping zone, head over again to the main page. Click Shipping Zone. So, we out a new name for the new shipping zone. This time around, the shipping zone would be Southwest Zone. So, all the states under Southwest would come under this zone. First, that goes up is a kitty state. After, Ondo. Also, Oyo State. And Ogun. We would stop at that. Then, the next step is to add shipping method. On the flat rate column, click Edit as we did it initially. Indicate whether it would be taxable or not. Then, we have shipping cost. The flat rate would be 2,000 Naira the Southwest Zone. Then head over to the setup of free shipping. Click it, indicate what would trigger the free shipping. Here, it would be minimum order amount. Here, we will fix the amount of 4,000 naira. Then, save changes. Add another shipping method. This time around, the local pickup. Click Local Pickup, add shipping method. Click Edit. Indicate whether it's taxable or not. Then, indicate the cost for shipping, here it's 500 naira. Then head over to Click Ship and Zone, to add another shipping zone. Then, add shipping zone. So, now, we would be indicating another shipping zone. Now this is North Central Zone. So the state under zone, this zone, will all be listed under this zone. The first to be added is Kogi. Then, Niger State. Then, Plateau State. Nasarawa. Then, Kwara. So, we go over the same process again. To add the various shipping method under the shipping zone. Click Edit. Select Non-Taxable. Indicate the cost for the flat rate shipping for this zone. We fix it at 3,000 naira. Save changes. Head over again to add shipping method. Select free shipping. What would trigger it? Click Edit. Trigger the free shipping minimum order amount. Here, we peg it at 5,000. Click Save Changes and click Add Shipping Method once again. Select Local Pickup, Add Shipping Method, click Edit. Select Non-Taxable. So, here, we fix it at 700 naira for local pickup. Then save changes. Head over to shipping zones once again for the new shipping zone. Here, we are going to set up the Lagos shipping zone. We are going to create separate zone for it. So, we are going to add the various shipping method for that Lagos zone. First is free shipping. For Lagos, click Edit. Minimum order amount for the free shipping. We will fix it 4,000. Then, click Save Changes. Add shipping method. Select local pickup. The pickup fee would be 500. Click Save Changes. Head over to shipping zones once again. Add shipping zone. Add the name of the zone. Here is Abuja zone. Then, add shipping method. Select flat rate. Then, click Edit. Thereafter, save changes. Add another shipping method for the Abuja zone. Select local pickup. We peg the cost at 1,000. Click Save Changes. So, that's basically it. You can see all the shipping zones we have just set up. The South-South, Southwest, North-Central, Lagos and Abuja zones. So thank you for watching.